you. What? What's up? We went for a nice long walk this morning. It was a bit hot though. Did you enjoy that? I know, it was fun. And you've had some treats? Yeah, you're licking your lips because you just had some. I don't know. Your sister's still sleeping. If you want to go and wake her up, then be on... I know. I'm not waking her up. You wake her up. Hello. Hi. Oh, okay, belly rubs. We were going to talk about a very serious subject. Because Auntie Sam wants to know, right, Rocky? Auntie Sam wants to know what you think about equal rights for the LGBT community. What do you reckon? Everybody should be equal, right? Right? Rocky, are you thinking about that? Hey, it wasn't that hard a question. Oi, what do you think? Equal rights? Yes? Tolerance for everybody? Yes? Yes, you know what we're talking about, don't you? Yes, exactly, little girl. Yes. You tell Auntie Sam what you think. Yeah? I know. Did you just wake up? Yes. Hi. Hi. Okay. Love you. Yes.